Good morning, everyone. George Jones here with Handyman Services for all your home improvement needs. This morning we at the Home Depot. Come get a garage door. And then I seen my little friends out here this morning, so had to come hook them up, feed them some bread. Well, they love that stuff. But yeah, we had to get a garage door opener. About to go install it along with the garage door, exterior door and frame, a little painting. But yeah, I'll show y'all later what we're doing. But as of right now, we watching some birds eat some bread. Whoop, whoop. But please check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe. On YouTube, you can check us guys out at the Handeee Man. But yeah, we're about to have to get back to work. Got this guy in the car here. Don't know what he's doing up in there. Will,
Yo.
Handeee.
That's it. Where we at?
All right, brother.
Money.
Tell everybody good morning.
No, don't deserve it. No, I'm just playing.
All right, guys. So we'll check y'all later. See ya.